New variants of the virus are spreading, and they're moving quickly. Cases are going back up. Hospitalizations are no longer declining. While deaths are still down, way down from January, they're going up in some places. So you might ask, everybody's asking, what does that mean? I understand that people may find it confusing, that the vaccination program is saving tens of thousands of lives, but the pandemic remains dangerous. Let me explain it in a single word: time. Time. Even moving at the record speed we're moving at, we're not even halfway through vaccinating over 300 million Americans. This is going to take time. Remember, for a 2-dose vaccine, it takes weeks from the time you get your first one until you're able to get your second shot, which makes you fully protected. If you get your first shot next week in mid-April, you won't be fully protected until May, late May. If you get your first shot in mid-May, you aren't fully protected until late June. So look, now, on the one hand, June isn't that far away given how long this has been going on, but it isn't here yet either. So the virus is spreading because we have too many people who, seeing the end in sight, think we're at the finish line already. But let me be deadly earnest with you. We aren't at the finish line. We still have a lot of work to do. We're still in a life and death race against this virus. Until we get more people vaccinated, we need everyone to wash their hands, socially distance, and mask up in a recommended mask from the CDC. Think about it this way. Better times are ahead. And as I said before, we can have a safe, happy 4th of July with your family and your friends in small groups in your backyard. The real question is, how much death, disease, and misery are we going to see between now and then? In January, just the month of January, we lost 95,774 Americans. In March, that was 37,172 Americans. All told, I keep doing this, I know, but I carry this card every day with my schedule on it. And the back, I have a COVID update. The total number of deaths in the United States to date is 554,064 dead. That's lives that have been lost. What we do now is going to determine how many people we'll save or lose in the month of April and May and June before we get to July 4th. So please, until we're further along in this accelerating, successful, but still growing vaccination effort, please wash your hands. Practice social distancing.